So here we're getting ready to put the pavers in. And this is an example where it's nice to write a check, because this is a lot of work. This should be done in about 2 days. This costs $5,000. So these guys are done working for the day. They got this dug out here. Around there, around the jacuzzi. Over there. And you can see all those pavers back there. And then we got pavers over here. So this is a lot of work to do it yourself. So I'm really glad to write a check for this. $5,000, get it done, and look really nice when it's all done. And we'll significantly reduce the weed management. This is the weed farm over here. Well, but by having the pavers over here, cut down on dust coming in the house and weeds in the backyard. Cool. Today after a rainstorm, we had rain the last 2 days. We're going to get back on this guy. And I think this will be done another 2 days. You can see here they got some more digging to do right here. Let's see right there. The steps up there. And then we see we've got all the pavers over there. Yeah. This thing should be done in about another 2 days. So now they use that little compactor there. They've compacted all this sand down here. So today they're going to lay another layer of sand, and then they'll start putting the pavers down today. Probably finish this another day or two. Cool. So now they got, probably finish his pavers today. Got quite a bit in over there. These guys over here. Just got to do this little spot right here. And then got around the jacuzzi. And this is done. So they'll wrap this up today, I think, and get all these board done. So cool. So now the pavers are all done. And this is quite a nice upgrade to our backyard here. So we've basically reduced the grass area by about 40%. Should make the weed control a lot easier. All around our jacuzzi there, the pavers. And then by putting pavers against the 3 sides of that garden square there, it'll help reduce the weeds in the garden square. So this all together was $5,000. Money well spent. On to the next project.